Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is it's the first video in a three-part series about Prime Video Direct, also known as Amazon Video Direct. The training is free, but also the site is free, and it is considered to be Amazon's answer, you might say, to YouTube. And why should you be interested in this training? Why should you take advantage of it? If you're on YouTube, then it's something that I believe you should check out. And the reason is simple. It's an additional stream of income. You should make between 6 and 15 cents per hour for every hour watched on your videos. Amazon Video Direct or Prime Video Direct allows filmmakers to upload their work. That could be a video, that can be a movie, that can be a TV series, that can be shorts, and you can upload them to Amazon for customers to watch, to rent, to buy on Prime Video, and your videos will be exposed to literally tens of millions of Amazon Prime Video viewers. There is something that I do want you to know about, and it's important, and that is that Amazon is considerably more difficult, more complicated than YouTube. Not a big deal if you know what you're doing, a major pain in the neck if you don't. I'm just being straight up with you, and I'm not trying to be negative. But if you jump into Amazon like I jump into most things, which I call the immersion method. I mean, I just jump in and I kind of learn as I earn, you might say, learn as I go. That works. It may not be the best way to do it, but that will work in most cases. But it's very, very difficult for that to work on Amazon because there's so many little tiny details that you simply need to know about. The training is 30 to 40 minutes. In that amount of time, you're literally going to be able to shorten your learning curve on Amazon by months, 6 months to a year perhaps. You're going to shorten your learning curve because you're actually going to have a clue instead of no clue. You're going to be able to actually get in there and start to get things done instead of just bumping around, get nothing done because you're still learning the system. And just to highlight some of the little things that you need to know about. You're going to need to add the cast and crew. Even if it's just you that made the movie, you need to add that to your video. This is a requirement of Amazon. Well, you don't know that. You send your video in, boom, it bounces back. And anyway, then you send it back in, and sorry, this video isn't going to fly because it's got a watermark. No watermark is allowed. So these are just some of the things. You need to have captioning. Amazon is not going to let you upload your video unless you upload your file, your captioning file first. No big deal, but these are things that you need to know about. You're not allowed to ask for subscribers, so typically subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button. That is a no-no, so you're going to have to edit that out of your video. In other words, no big deal, but you need to know about it before you get started. There are different image requirements. Videos take 3 days to 3 to 5 days, hopefully, possibly as long as 3 weeks before they're actually published. They are submitted and they have to be reviewed and approved. There's a lot of other details, and that's what this training is all about, is to help you to be able to actually go to the Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link to Amazon. And you can check out Amazon, but what you're going to see, I think, is going to be a little bit daunting, to say the least. And what I'm afraid is going to happen is that you're either going to be, you're going to make a decision right then and there that, nah, it's not worth it, which may be right or wrong, probably wrong. So you may shoot yourself in the foot by deciding that it's not worth it when it probably is. Or you may give it a try and realize, oh my gosh, I got to do this, I got to do that, I got to do this, and all these added details that you may say the heck with it. And again, that may be a mistake. The bottom line on Amazon Video or Prime Video is that you need to be compliant. And in order to be compliant, watch this training series. It's that simple. So let's get started.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Now in this course, we will explore some of the ways that you can promote your Amazon Video Direct page. We'll look at some easy ways for you to create videos for your promotional efforts and for your trailers. We'll look at the ways in which you are encouraged not to collect leads and ways that you can. And we'll walk through setting up an autoresponder list for that purpose. We'll walk through some common sense methods that you can use in order to optimize your titles for the search engines. And for Amazon Kindle authors, we'll look at some ways in which you can and can't connect to your Author Central account. We'll look to YouTube to determine how we can repurpose our content. And we'll look at some ways for you to promote your content through events, both online and offline. So hopefully you already have your titles and they are very close to being completed and ready to promote, and you will be able to take advantage of the directives in this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video. Now, Amazon Video Direct is designed for content creators to reach their clients, and it's not necessarily designed for individuals to use the platform in order to reach more customers for their existing business. That said, there are promotional tools that Amazon gives you that you can put on your websites and promotional materials in order to drive people back to your Amazon channel. And you'll find those materials inside of the support area. You'll then go to the publishing link. You'll then go to promote your titles. When you get to promote your titles, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom. And what you'll do is you'll get this marketing kit. Now you'll see there are 5 bundles of tools, and you can look in each one of them: logos, lockups, Prime Video logos, Prime Video lockups, and then third-party lockups. Each bundle comes with files in the EPS, JPEG, and PNG format. And what you can do with each of these images is that you can add them to existing artwork that you are making. The same thing is true of the logo lockups, as well as the Prime Video logos. So in each case, you'll be able to use these images inside of your graphics editing program along with your title and its cover. And you can see that again in the third-party lockups. In each bundle, Amazon gives you a guide on how to use all of the content so that you remain in their terms of service. Basically, what Amazon is doing is it is directing people to its video demand service, where theoretically, if someone likes one of your videos, they might watch more of them. And since you are paid for minutes that people are streaming, this can be important to you as you build multiple sets of videos on Amazon Video Direct. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Since this course is about promotion, you want to be aware of the exact language for Prime Video Direct. In order to find that language, you're going to go into the legal section of your support area. When you click that legal link, you're going to see that Amazon Prime Video Direct has content policy guidelines. You want to click that link. When you click the link and you scroll down, what you're going to see is that there's a section here called Poor Customer Experience. You want to click Learn More. And you're going to see a section here that says Business Promotion and External Links. And basically, Amazon Video Direct does not want you to send people outside of Amazon Video Direct. They want all of your activity on the platform to be self-contained for Prime Video Direct. And so this should include content. So there should be no external links. There should be no advertising in the content. In addition, some of the issues fall under quality issues. For example, your cover image should include the title name. If you're going to include a watermark or logo, it should be an accurate distribution channel. And any functionality or call to action should be supported by the Prime Video application. So this platform is not going to be like YouTube. The platform is meant to be a destination in and of itself. It's not meant to be a pass-through sending people to other places. So you'll want to be careful about mentioning other content that you have, even if it's on the Amazon platform, because again, technically the terms of service say they don't want you sending people outside of the Prime Video platform. There are cases where someone does a search for your name within Amazon. You can see several kinds of content. For example, if you were to search for this person's name, you'll see Kindle books, paperback books, and you'll also see this person's courses here in this area. However, a content-based bundle strategy is one that you can undertake, and we will be talking about that in another video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, Amazon Video Direct will give you the opportunity to upload a trailer for your video. And in order to do that, there are sites designed to create visually pleasing video without needing to have lots of skill. There are cloud-based applications such as Animoto, Biteable, Animatron, and Go Animate. What you'll do is you'll create a video, you'll download the MP4 video, and then re-upload that video to your Amazon Video Direct account. Now, if you are creating a more personal trailer and you want to do a talking head video, you can do that very easily in YouTube. And all you'll need to do is when you go to your account, you'll need to click this button that says create a video or post. When you do that, you're going to have the opportunity to either upload a video or go live. You're going to click go live. When you do that, YouTube is then going to use your microphone and your camera. What you will do then is you will record your video here on your YouTube channel. You'll then be able to go live with your video, and then once you record that video, you will then be able to have it on your channel. Once you have the video in your video channel, you'll be able to go to one of these drop down arrows. You'll then be able to click download MP4 video. Then you'll come back to your Amazon Video Direct account. You will then click browse so that you can find the file on your desktop. Once you have your trailer in place, you can then click save. Amazon will then upload your additional video. And you are ready then again to start the publication process, but this time you have a trailer with your title. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, we have discussed the fact that you can't direct people from Prime Video Direct to another website in your content and around your content using your descriptions. However, you can still collect leads on the Amazon platform, and you can interact with your Video Direct content. For example, while you can't be openly promotional in your content, you can promote your website and other pages inside of your Kindle content. That means then that you'll want to have something written and posted to the Kindle platform. You can also place promotional links with your content in Create Space. So the paperback books that you may create, any instructional DVDs that you might place, which would be considered film, you can use this to promote your existing business. And if you're shipping information products from the Amazon FBA program and you're willing to use the third-party program Zapier, you can collect leads every time you make a sale on Amazon Seller Central or FBA. So in this part of the course, we want to focus on the additional opportunities you're going to have, making connections and generating leads with the other part of the Amazon program to your Video Direct content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in order to collect leads, you are going to need to set up an autoresponder or some kind of email service so that you can have people go through an opt-in process. This gives you the permission from them for you to send them marketing emails when they like something that you have. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the website Get Response, and we're going to set up an auto-responding list so that we can correspond with people between the times that we are releasing videos. Now, your autoresponder may not be Get Response, but you are going to go through a similar process. What you're going to do first is you're going to set up a new list. And in Get Response, we create a campaign name. Now, once we've created our campaign, we're going to edit the campaign settings. What we're going to do first is we're going to make sure that we get a notification when someone signs up to our email marketing list. We're then going to change the profile settings. And we're going to give our campaign a title and description. We can add in our logo if we want, or we can leave this blank. We're going to leave our preview pages and go with the default settings, and we're then going to click permissions. Now we're going to leave our confirmed opt-in on, and that means then that someone is going to have to go to their email box, click a link to confirm before they can start receiving emails from us. And so we're going to leave this the way it is at the default settings. Now one thing we can do, as soon as the person is signed up, we can take this custom URL and we can place a URL in here of a website or a web page that we have to give people more information of what it's going to be like and how they can benefit from being part of our email marketing list. But basically, we're now set up so that we can collect leads and generate a database for the sales that we make and for people who are interested in what we're doing between the time that we actually place a new video product. Now the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to the forms area and create a form. And we can either use one of the basic templates available, or we can create our own. Now in this case, for the sake of time, we're just going to use one of the existing templates, and then we're going to save this item. We're now going to go to the thank you page. And when we're satisfied with the thank you page, we're then going to click save again. And so now we have our form and our thank you page created. And now we're going to go to the next step. Now, if you already know how to place this code inside of your website, you can do that from here. You can have a web designer install the form if you give them the code that you have right here. Or you can have your autoresponder host the form, and that's going to be the case with most autoresponders. They will give you a web page that you can copy, and this will be the web page that you can give to people when you want them to sign up for your email marketing list. So you'll copy this, and you'll see how it looks on the web. So when you send people to this page, all they'll need to do is to put in their name and email address, and then they'll either get something that you promised them, or they will get updates every time you release a video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Okay, the next video in this series is not yet published. As soon as it is, there'll be a link below to the next video in this series. I hope to have it published shortly. Of course, if you subscribe, you're going to get notified when that video is published. So if you haven't subscribed, good idea. Consider subscribing and ringing the bell so that you're going to get notified when the second video and the third video in this series get published. And if you like this video, and I hope you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. It's good for the video. It's good for the channel. If you would do that right now, I thank you. My friends, I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And allow me to wish you much success.